He's trying to take the cup. He's trying to take the cup. You see? Look how cute they were. Anyway, let's get to this.
Gay!
See all the bad boys? Flamingos? Nothing in that cage. We're actually here to feed the lemurs though. Hi boys. There's a wild porter and a wild Tommy in a fit zoo. What the fuck? Hi boys. Where do you come from?
The cages.
Ah, yeah, that's what I thought, yeah. Caged animals, you two.
Cage of animals.
Hold on, why is there no animals? What is
There is.
Yeah, oh, fucking hell. Alright, Shagger.
Chilling.
Yeah,
Angry.
so that's the script.
Was it a rat? That's person, isn't it?
Where?
Look.
Where, that's it. Oh, it's in there. Where? I can't see
Was
anything.
it a rat?
Yeah, you can't see through because of the sun. Yeah, this is a weed farm actually, this is where they grow some weed. Anyway, I'm such a rotten mood, I don't know why, I've literally just come here and I'm in such a bad mood today. Oh, it's been windy. This might be the very last vlog in Crete. This might be it.
There's a bit of a fucking standoff here, aren't we?
And these guys want to fucking knock out Porter.
Put your finger in.
I dare you. If you put your finger in for 3 seconds, I'll give you €3.
I'll put my finger in if you put your tiny little cock in there.
Mine's not fit, but Tommy's will.
Look, he's hungry now. They're quite intense, isn't it?
Yeah, they are intense, aren't they?
Didn't matter if trust it.
Where's the big African greys at, mate?
In there, are they? In the corner.
Holy shit, they're huge, man. Not focusing picking up. There's the fucking flamingos again.
They're full of water, you know, fine. They all look the same,
It's like a cat, mate.
Oh, there's a yellow one there.
It's like cats, in it. They're all the same. It's a cat's a cat. Hey, Shagger.
They look right.
The only two good looking birds in this place is them two.
Yeah, new leg fuck off.
The cage this size, it should be huge. Where is it?
That's mine, that is. You let me out.
Oh, yeah, it's your cage, boy. Yeah, I feel that. Where is it? Oh, it's lemurs or something. Shagging each other. Oh my god, this monkey's wanking. He's wanking. Can you see him wanking?
Where? Look at the ones in the tire.
I can't fucking get in because it's too far away. I don't know how it's going to pick up or not.
Look at him trying to rob his food.
What? Holy shit. Yeah, look at the size of this one. He's actually wanking. He's actually wanking.
Was he?
He was. He was wanking. He actually was that one, I swear to God. He used to do it upside down with all the blood rush to his head so it was a big orgasm. Hey bro. He's dangling like. They're already in it talking.
So funny.
Don't want to be in the fucking video. Go on then. The only one in there is two. Should have got me on his own.
There's two up.
Oh, yeah.
There's two up there.
Oh, yeah. Oh no! Oh no! The wild porter in between two trees. Absolute specimen of an animal. Comes with great physique. Great. Oh, he's facing us now. The smile is there. Wow. Wow, they've taken off his accessories. This animal was quite magnificent to watch. We watched a wild porter in his element. Wow, he's making moves. The movement coming from. Whoa. Guys, has anyone seen this? Wow. I can't believe I'm actually so close. Will I touch it?
Touch it and see if he bites.
Oh, Jesus, he's a wild one. Right, boys and girls. Like shit. Oh.
That's the bird again.
Oh.
Too early. Too early in the day.
Right, and it's never too early for Rocky. Oh, yeah, I've had a banging cold for the last few days, guys. Banging cold. And I'm like Ozzy Osbourne's double today. I'm dressed all in black. My gothic glasses. It is what it is. I'm surviving.
I feel like you know that
What's now?
Lima's again. A bit boring, isn't it?
Yeah, I know. So yeah, take a little Johnny down. There are more birds.
I think this is staff only staff.
Where?
Oh, this is staff only.
Oh shit. Shit, we're going to staff only, but yeah. It's better to start fucking feeding wild animals. That's yeah. Oh, there's a cat.
Oh my god, why is it staring at you like that?
Hi mate.
I think it's got a glass eye.
What?
I'm like, wow.
No worry. Oh, just in case I fall, I've got the video going.
But look a bit happier.
See a penny, pick it up. You no longer have good luck.
Put it back. I can't reach
What's
it.
the other bit at the bottom?
Put the camera up again. Like put the screen. Other way, other way. There we go. I'll just hold it long. See if anyone jumps on me. Oh, he's keen for it. He's keen for it.
He's coming for me.
He snorted like a little pig. He was like.
Oh, look at I'm so anxious.
He sounds. He sounds like poor. Go on, take it. Yeah, can I take a piece?
You don't have to jump on me then.
So I can like put it to this side so I can video it. I'll take a tiny little bit, just like a.
No, you took it.
I can't. Hey.
I'm shaking.
What?
I'm shaking.
Don't worry. Why is he in the back? Why can't he go in the front? Wait, hold on, I need to hold the cup, don't I?
Yeah.
Hey, pal.
This one's coming.
Go the other side.
Oh, he's gearing up for it. He's gearing up for it. Why is it not going on my head? Why is it like sitting in the back?
No, when you get something?
Oh my god, hello.
Look at him, he's too loving life. You never got hiccups, mate. He ain't too fast. Oh, Jesus. There's one on my arm now. Oh, look, he's on my arm.
Aww. Smile.
Why don't chew me up, boys? He's trying to take the cup. He's trying to take the cup.
I can't believe I'm in you.
Yeah, take the cup. Take the cup. They go on you.
Come to me. You've got to leave some for other people. I'm scared, but
He's coming.
oh my god, I'm shaking. Can you take a photo with me? It'll be all for you. I can't get things to take it because I got all
Oh,
my
he didn't want the apple. He just
I
threw
got all
the,
my
he just threw the
grass
apple on the
down.
floor.
Oh my god, come next to
Mate,
me.
he's so greedy. He's so greedy. He just threw the, he didn't want the apple. He threw the apple on the floor. He just started. Look.
Piss it on me! Piss it on me! I got pee on me! Nah, he's probably just peed on me.
Well, look, they're throwing the stuff on the floor they don't want.
Right, smile. Smile. Ah, he's gonna eat it all.
Not bad.
I can't believe I've just been pissed on. Where did it go?
I think, buddy, alright. Oh, he's going for the jump. He's going for the jump. He wants to do something. Go on, pal.
Oh my god, what's he doing? The other one's like grabbing the crack off him.
They're throwing stuff on the floor they don't want. They're hot,
I literally can't.
There was literally, he was hunting through the cup and throwing the apples out, throwing the pit, and then he sniffed.
Look at my hand.
Then he sniffed. He sniffed the tomato and then he put the tomato instead and threw all that. Oh, that's just what.
Yeah, he's picking through it. You don't want the lettuce.
Yeah, look, he doesn't want it. He's picking through it. Look.
He's just happy chilling. Oh, watch the
picking through it and
boob,
throwing it
mate. Watch the tip.
Sorry.
No, not you. He'd almost scram my tip.
They go through it. They hunt through it until they get something they want.
Do we have to just stay in one spot? Oh, his tail just touched me.
Just walk. Yeah, they've got the stuff on the floor. They know what they want. They know what they want. They don't want that lettuce and tomato and apples.
Oh, look, he's having a wash. I feel like he's probably cuddling me. Like, oh.
Some rackish, right?
Yeah, let's fucking get the Mackie bush. Hold on a second. Take a cup. Shake it. It's just like. Hold on, pal. Hold on.
He won't let me
He wants to get to the
go.
bottom. He's trying to get something from the bottom. He wants the cucumber or something.
Oh.
Hey, take this a sec. Let it go. Hey, you got that one. You want that one. You want the he wants the tomato. Yeah, he got it. He wants the tomato. He's chewing the tomato like mad.
Chris, will you?
I'll send you this video, by the way. I'll mute it so that you can hear you screaming.
You all want in my
And you
hair.
can have
I
it
didn't
yourself.
scream, I just went, ah!
He's literally like looking at it.
Hi, chicken. He's like proper cuddled into my
I love
head.
discussing on all the photos and now.
Yeah, man, I think I might buy a llama. Yeah,
They're probably to be fair.
but they're not bad. They're not dangerous at all. Like, I'm sure if you attack them, they go mad, like in groups. But like, they're so peaceful and loving, aren't they? He's just chewing his carrot, mate.
They just keep taking the food out and chucking it on the floor.
They don't want that shit. Yeah. Can you own a lemur in UK? See, it's loading. Damn it! No, it's not legal to buy a lemur as a pet in the UK.
Bike, wasn't he?
Damn it, it's not legal.
First.
It is not legal. Guess what, guys? I ain't coming back to the UK now because it's not legal to own a lemur in the UK, so I ain't coming back. Fuck this shit, I'm out. He's bigger. Where's the turtles? Where? Right. James has been on about turtles since the whole time he's been here. And there is actually turtles, and I thought he was tripping balls. He's like, fucking me, mate. It is the fucking turtles. So let's go see the turtles. Here comes the turtles. Wait, I don't see the turtles. There's a toucan. Tuxon.
I don't even look real, does it?
Toucan. A tuxon. Toucan. Yeah, Paul, I hate to alarm you, but I don't see the turtles, pal. Oh, there's more that way. Here comes the man. Here we go. Here comes the man. Yeah, this might be, like I said before, this might be the last vlog of Crete. I don't know where I'll be next time. Sad it's coming to an end. The season's not as long as it used to be. So, Jesus Christ, I thought we were about to... The monkeys again. Those monkeys, mate.
Oh my god. I just googled why did a lemur pee on me. Yeah. And it says lemurs don't typically pee on humans, but they'll use it as a form of marking their territory.
You're getting pumped tonight. You're getting pumped tonight. That's kind of one I wouldn't be challenging, like, do you know what I mean?
I feel like monkeys are more aggressive than they. Like, you know when humans are I think that'd be a bit scary. I think it's really scary.
Oh, so here, trying to find the turtles. Isn't it? Trying to find the turtles. What? Wait, there's something here, Tommy. Oh, what the fuck?
Laissez en blague YouTube. Laissez en blague YouTube. Caméra sur caméra.
Yeah, car insurance. Simples.
Simples!
Me?
got this.
Oh, you did?
Have you got this?
Tommy.
You got it.
Right, we've done like
Tell me you got this.
10, I
Tell
don't
me
know,
you got
maybe 11 crafts of racket, I don't
Say
know.
I've got it. Tommy.
Tommy's here, Hardy's here in the background.
Yeah. Look
Boat's
at
here.
me. Tell me you've got this.
Very good, Hardy.
Hello.
After, if Tommy sends me the pictures, it went black. Oh, take a second.
Nice.
Are you shagging?
A lot.
This guy's Greek, also got a massive dick.